Hi and welcome to your fourth tutorial on the Windows 7 taskbar. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add taskbar buttons to control what's going on in your program. So let's get started. We want to add a new event to our main window and we want to look for the window loaded event. So once we have that, just double click on it to create the event handler and let's get started. From the last video, I've only done a minor change. I've changed the name of the icons from play to icon play, and same with my pause and stop icons. This is just to make it easier to understand because we'll be using those words a lot. So the first thing we're going to do is create a thumbnail toolbar button, which I've actually already done here. I forgot to get rid of this. Alright, mine are named TBB play, TBB stop, and TBB pause. So those are the name of our three thumbnail buttons that we're gonna have. I don't know why they call it thumbnail buttons, because this functionality is actually available even if you don't use Windows Arrow. So they should be called taskbar tool buttons or something. One thing that we have to do before we move on is change the event handler signature of our button click events. We have to change the routed event args to just event args. This really shouldn't make any difference to how you program your program, but if you do, you have to work around it, or if it does, you have to work around it. So we've finished that. Now we can minimize those and let's get started on the buttons. Alright, in your window loaded event handler, we are going to initiate our three buttons and put our event handlers to it. So to initiate new buttons, we're just going to go the name of the button. We're going to do the play button first, so it'll be TBB play equals to new tasks thumbnail toolbar button, and the first input is the icon, which is my icon for this is icon play, and the second input is the tooltip, and it will just say play. And now we're going to attach our event handler to the click event, so it will just say tbb play dot click, and we have to type this and just pay a little bit of attention to this. Plus equals to new event handler, and it will be of type thumbnail button clicked event args. There we go. Just close the type, and the name of our event handler, which is button play click. Just copy that, paste that in there, and that's that. We'll just copy this bit of code for our pause and stop button. We'll just change the names around. As you can see, I've named my events and stuff pretty consistently, so it's really easy to change them around. I don't think I've used the naming conventions of C#, so you probably shouldn't do it this way, and if I can spell stop, that'd be good as well. And now we're gonna tell the taskbar instance to add these buttons to our taskbar preview area. So we're just gonna go taskbar manager dot instance dot thumbnail toolbars dot add buttons. And if you remember from our last tutorial, is that WPF doesn't know how to handle interrupt window handlers, so we're gonna have to use a little trick here. So we're just gonna go new window interrupt helper, and in the parentheses it'll be this dot handle. That's well and good. If you can't add this, then you have to just right click on it and resolve, then add using system.windows.interrupt. I think that's what it is anyway, and we're just gonna add the buttons. Yeah. So you'll be play, pause, and stop. Think all's good. So let's run this program. Just gonna load up a video, and we're gonna bring up this program so you can see what's going on. Now you'll notice when I press the pause button, it turns the taskbar progress bar yellow, which we did in the earlier tutorial, and it pauses the video. When I press the play button, it turns it green and plays the video. And when I press stop, it turns it red and pretty much stops the video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.